Hello everyone, welcome back to One Finance, and in this video we're going to cover part 4 of financial ratio analysis. So just a very short recap, kung hindi nyo napanood yung previous videos, financial ratio analysis would tell you what companies to buy, while technical analysis would tell you when to buy those companies. Now in this video, we're going to focus more on profitability ratios. Now etong profitability and market valuation ratios, ito yung very significant metrics in terms of stock market investing and stock market trading, because they directly influence yung or buying decision ng investor. Now, for example, we have here return on equity, gross profit margin, and net profit margin. Now, since these are about profitability, you would want to see these figures as high as possible. So ROE is actually the measure of net income that shareholders receive to their equity. And our formula for that, we have net income divided by shareholders' equity. So here we have 370 divided by stockholders' equity of 1,200, and that will give you an ROE of 0.31 or 31%. That would mean that for every 1 peso shareholders' equity, they would receive 0.31 income. So for gross profit margin, it measures how well cost of productions have been controlled. So we have gross profit divided by revenues. In this case, we have 700 divided by 1,800, and that would give us a gross profit margin of 0.39 or 39%. Now, this is very important because the gross profit margin would actually absorb all the expenses related to, let's say, selling, interest expense. So the higher the gross profit margin, the better. So our formula, we have earnings before interest and taxes divided by revenue. So in this case, we have 550 divided by 1,800, and that would give you 0.30 net profit margin or 30%. Okay, so for every 1 peso revenue, the earnings before interest and taxes accounted 30 centavos. So here is a better picture on how to evaluate the profitability ratios of One Finance. Now in this case, the figures are actually higher compared to the competition in the industry, so that will give you a good signal for a buy decision. Now, in this case, we have the figures lower than the competition in the industry, so that will give you the opposite signal. So, wag munang bilihin yung company and then try to look for other companies that are offering higher profitability ratios. So that's it in this video. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on part 5.